먼지 투성이 hands are trembling right
Ito yung
now.
Malaysian leaves. Yeah.
Right
Raining in
now.
Malaysia, hindi ka ba?
Deep blue water sea.
Ganda bro.
Afraid of jumping in right now. Right now. 한 발을 내미는 song.
Hi everyone! Woo! We are now outside. It's our first day in Kuala! Our first day here in Kuala Lumpur and we're looking for a place to eat snacks kasi nag-brunch kami kanina guys. Ingat! Okay guys, totoo na to. And ang aking ka-couple for today's video. Actually, parang nagtutour na kami ngayon, pero naliligaw na talaga kami, guys. Guys, see it? Guys, alam ko guys, you know that. Ano?
Ito na lang yung pera mo.
Ilan?
Bentley.
Guys, ano nakita nyo?
Bentley.
My brother! This is the Petronas Tower, and then that's the Kia Tower. Guys, alam mo kung saan? Ask ko lang. Ano?
Di ba si Cora auntie? Yung mga pangasawa niya magiging
Uncle!
tata ito. Ang sasakyan yan. Ang building to. Ambang kayo no? Ambang.
Ito bro, may sasabihin ako sa'yo.
Horny na yan yung De Beers.
Hindi! Saan tayo kakain? Saan? Saan tayo kakain? Eli daw. Hindi ko tanggap na wala pa akong entry guys. Ako yung nagbo-vlog eh. Sila yung may entry. Wow, there's so many people here. Wow, I see it here. Are now in front. I don't know if it's in front or I don't know, but I know you guys can see naman. There's what? Shallow. So we're still here, guys.
Yan, 168 years old na yan.
How did you know? Did you count the roots?
Hindi, nakabase yan sa itsura.
We're still waiting for the perfect lighting because we can't get the perfect lighting yet since it's against the light. So we are now looking for some place to eat because we're all hungry. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I'm hungry. Hungry or hungry? Hungry. Hungry.
Ang good.
The mall. So many people. Tofu. Everyone's hungry.
Good.
Nag-turbash ka na? So guys, we are now looking for inside scoop so we can eat ice cream. Dito kami sa mall inside di ko inside baba or I don't know. Basta near Petronas Towers. Lang cute. I see purple again. Ala, actually tinitignan nyo.
I was looking at it also. So I looked at it. What?
Para sa mga delivery.
7.7.
Go. Paano mo ipapakilala sa Ate Kayla? Ayun no, jiwa ko. We're supposed to go to the Kayla Landingin Tower. KL Tower, but it's raining now. And I think mukhang lalakas pa siya, guys. Wala. Stay. Stay ka lang daw muna, guys. We can swim na lang. Stay na lang tayo. Stay lang kayo dyan, guys, ha? Kakatch ko kayo. Baka ma-fall. Oh! Ito yung Malaysian leaves. Yeah! We're gonna go home since sobrang lakas ng hangin and it's raining. And it's raining in Malaysia, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Come on everybody, sing with me. Come on. And it's been raining in Malaysia, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Let's go na brother, it's raining here. Tika lang, tika lang. Tika lang muna. Ayun. Grocery shopping. Since we're not gonna go out tonight, we're just gonna stay in the hotel. Yeah. So, we got home.
It's a tiring day, but a fun one.
Fun and fun. So, we bought groceries and then we're just gonna put it here. Since I'm gonna work every night, I need some food. I discovered a very nice drink, guys. It's super sarap. Inibits siya ng nata de coco. So, I like this one. So, I bought this
Okay,
in the almond.
cut mo na ako.
Got two. Love you. Take care.
May background pa eh.
잔잔하기만 하던 온 나의 마음에 퐁당 또 퐁당 아니 퐁당 큰 돌을 던진 너
Ate Kayla made me vlog.
그 사람이 내 앞에 내 맘 어느새 일렁이는 상상병에라도 걸렸나봐요
Kalaban natin ngayon yung hangin.
아른아른
Hey guys, so second day. And then where I don't know what they're doing. So, sabit lang tayo guys.
Nag-stretching ako.
Alam mo?
Hindi.
Cage. Hi guys, so we're now here in KL Tower. So we're gonna roam around lang muna and then we're gonna take a lot of pictures here.
Ganda bro.
The weather today is so nice. Sana hindi umulan ng hapon kasi hapon usually umuulan. So magte-take pictures kami here. Ayan sila. Ayan. Yeah. Kuya, picture mo lang. Here's the KL Tower. And here they are. Welcome to heaven. Go girl! At yung Petronas store. Ako mag-a-adjust. Yeah. Nagulat ako, may nakatingin sa likod ko. Bombastic side eye. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. So we're still waiting for our number, guys. Kasi may queue number for you to get dun sa Skybox. So, ang number namin, 1092 and 2095. And apparently, ang number pa ay Avi. 1075. So, tagal. Let's wait patiently, guys. Gaya nga nang sabi ng kanto ni Aya. #hintay. Guys, hello! May naisip akong game. So, hulaan nyo kung ano nasa isip ko. Parang siyang pinahe pero ako nakaka-alam. Pero hindi ko babagin.
Tao?
Hindi.
Hayop?
Hindi.
Bagay?
Hindi.
Lugar?
Hindi.
Pangyayari?
Hindi. Pangalan. Grabe naman to. Shallow na yun.
Bro, sinabi na namin lahat?
Hindi.
Pagkain? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast? Solid? Chicken?
No.
Beef?
No.
Pork?
No.
Non-healthy?
No.
Healthy food?
Kinda. I don't know. No. Pandesal.
Bread? Bread?
No.
Pero ano yung pork? Ay, hindi chicken.
No.
Hot cake?
Yes. Yes.
Pancake?
Yes.
So yung problem natin ngayon.
Yay! Finally, it's our turn, guys. Time to go to Skybox. Song girl. Uy, K-Shot! Okay. Kabila ka sa
비가 내리면 자연스레 너를 떠올려 따스해지니까 Don't know how I can explain 하루 종일 네 생각에 간절해 낯설어 나 왜 이런 걸까 You're the cure to all my pains 널 좋아하나 봐 널 사랑하나 봐 이제 더 이상 숨길 수 없잖아 내일 더 아껴줄 거야 안아줄 거야 We're meant to be you can't deny 내일 더 다가갈 거야 사랑해줄 거야 You're my sunshine after rain 네가 좋아
Go, guys. Eh, so, nasa Grab kami kanina. Tapos, kumanta-kanta lang ako. Ganaya ko lang yung song. Sabi ni ate driver, oh, you know the song! So, we are here. It's just in front of us. Salamat, tata! We are now here sa Petaling something. Petaling King. So, maraming street foods, tapos parang Divisoria Baclaran style, guys. So, let's go. I'm hungry na naman ulit. try this flag. So this ice cream, you have to remove the flag. Taiwan is edible. How is it?
Good. But it's not too fast.
Not too sweet, not too ano. Not too de coco. Guys, dito tayo sa Davao. Nagtago, guys. Nagulatin ako ng kuya ko. Doon siya nagtago.
Kita mo ako?
Oo. Nakakain. This is cool though. This is cool. Hi guys.
Hello.
We're on the way. Laging ikaw na iba. Kahapon lahat kami naka-black guys. Na siya lang yung naka-white. Tama ba?
Oo.
Tapos ngayon lahat kami naka-white. Siya lang naka-black. Okay lang ako magbigyan. Birthday. We're gonna... Pang tawag sa ginagawa natin.
We're gonna ride the train.
Okay, we're gonna ride the train. And... Tawag nating... real one. Ay, red one. Okay. Ito sa atin yung pinakaharap so hindi gumagana. Cola, 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 cola. Dito yung pinto. Bakit mo ko pinintangan? Lo, kasi ikaw tere. Guys, it's me oh. Wala pong andyan sa akin guys. They're not making pansin here.
And one small focus phone.
So these are all upcycled guys.
I'm
From
actually
old
amazed with this one.
clothes.
With the
With nice
water
water.
bottle holder. Pwede mo siya i-fold. Yeah, and then you can just fold it.
Oh!
Amazing, right? Because may laptop holder.
Oh!
But after you fold it, you can't zip it up.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, but you can still pin the button. Yeah, this way, this way.
This way. Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
Get it?
yeah.
Purple!
Then you can open it and see what you get. You press it.
Oh man. Better luck next time.
You got this.
Oh really? I still get something. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I still get some biscuit.
Guys, makikikain muna kami dito. May birthday yan. Makikikain muna kami. Guys, we can go there. Try natin.
My birthday.
Oo, mag-besa-besa lang tayo. We are here na guys. Ito yung hotel namin. I went. Hotel Roma. And I feel like we're just walking the whole day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Diba? We were just walking the whole day. So, payat na nga ako guys. Papayat pa ako lalo. And yeah, and I have my last day sa work later since it's Friday. And ayun, ayoko na mag-absent. So, lagot ako kay sir. Shout out kay boss. Yeah! See you later, alligator! So here's the pool area guys, and here you can see yung Petronas Towers. Actually yung isang tower lang makikita, but it's really a nice view. Has a nice view. Let's swim na. Diba? So here's me working, and here they are. They're gonna swim guys. Magsuswim sila. Balik sa day guys.
Hands are trembling right now,
I'm hungry now.
right now. Deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in right now, right now. 한 발을 내밀었어 걱정이 많이 있어